Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session we are going to learn about stretch. So for stretch we got the shortcut command key as S. You press S and you press enter, you are going to get the stretch command you can use. So here again you can find in the menu bar. With the help of menu bar, here you got the modifying toolbar. In modifying toolbar you are going to find the stretch over here, or you can use your command toolbar. If you got the command over here, so you can use command toolbar also there stretch, or you can use, if you have got the ribbon box, with the help of ribbon box over here you got the stretch. So what we are going to do here, we are going to enlarge, or we can reduce the size of this object. So here I have been taken the three object for you people to understand more easily. One is, two objects have been created with the help of polyline. One have been created with the help of line object. You just whatever the mouse cursor is there, you just go nearby the object, you just hold on the top of your object. It is going to indicate all the properties of that particular object. See here, I was using the polyline, so I was using the color as bilayer, so I was using the layer type as elevation, line type dash 2. Right, so this is dash 2 color is there, so you can check out here your dash 2 color is there. So if I want this size, I want only 38 feet, not 8 inch. So what you are going to do, you are going to draw once again. If you don't know this stretch command, so what you are going to do, you are going to draw this rectangle box with the help of your stretch, with the help of your line command. So you are going to take the line and you just hold over here, you click somewhere else and you press 38 feet, and again you press enter, again you come in the downward direction. So it will take more time to draw that one. So what I can do here, I can, with the help of a small command, that is yes, so I can reduce or I can enlarge the size of this object. Right, so what I can do, just type yes and you press the enter. Now it is asking me stretch the selected object. So what I can do, which object you need to be selected. If you are clicking this object, now you press space, so it is going to work. Right, so it is moving the whole object. So it should not the whole object is moving over here, so you should not choose the object in that appropriate manner, whatever we have done with respect to your previous two commands. So here what I can do is, I can go with respect to by crossing the object. Not you are going to get here control A or control whatever, by picking the object, it is not going to work in the case of your stretch. So if you are going control A, the whole body will move from here to here, because one end to be fixed, the other three end to be free, then only it is going to be stretch, or else it is not going to stretch. For example, here whatever have been taken individual are there, they are not, they are independent to each other. So if I was going with respect to stretch command, if I was holding this object, if I was pressing space, if I was moving, the only object it is going to move, the upper two lines are remained at that particular point. So if you want to reduce the complete this line and this line to be reduced at a time, then what we are going to do, we are going to cross the object only these three opposite faces, not the fourth face. If you are selecting the fourth face for the polyline structure, it will act like a move. From this place it is going to move this place. Right, so what I will do, see here, stretch, I will press and I will press enter. See now, from here to here only the three lines I have been selected, and I will press space. So now whatever the dimension, if you want to enlarge, I can enlarge. If you want to reduce the size, you can reduce. For example, if I want only the 8 inch to be reduced, then you type in the comment box that what you need to type only 8 and you press enter. See now I got only 35 feet. You can check out here my lines, all the lines are on the same plane. Right, the same way if I want to do with a polyline structure, what I can do is, you just press the space, stretch yes and you press enter. So again here, by crossing only the three object, it might be selecting all the four object, no need to worry. So it will be remained at this particular place, only this point can be reduced. If I was typing yes, sorry, if I was typing space, so now it is allowing me, right? You can pick any point or anywhere. You can pick from center, you can reduce, you can do that. If you want to do from the base point, you can do that. You can do from the top point, you can do that. You can create anywhere based on this line. If you want to reduce this line, so what I will do, I will click somewhere else. If I want to click here, you can click and you can reduce, right? If you want 25 feet, you just go like this also, it is going to reducing your size, right? You can check out whatever the dimension you require, you just click over there, you are going to get that reduced, that size will be reduced, right? The same thing if you want with respect to this object to be reduced, whatever the 34 feet 3 inches there, if I want to reduce this one also, what I can do, just type in the comment box yes and you press enter. You just crossing that object, because this is also a polyline, just crossing the object, you press this space or enter button. Now it is in the light crosshair lines, so you can click somewhere else and you can drag in the downward. Or if I want to click at this particular corner point, you can do that one also. See stretch. So what I will do, by crossing these three lines only I was picking. So now what I will do, I will press space. With the help of this corner point I want to reduce, right? You can reduce that one also. If you want to increase from the center point, that one also you can do, right? By pressing space, yes, by pressing the yes enter or space. Right now by crossing the object, you press once again space. By selecting the center point, if I want to increase from the center point, you just pick the center point and whatever the dimension you required, you just write. If you are knowing the manually, you can type, or else with the help of dragging your mouse in the upward direction, you can increase your size and you hit enter. Or if you are typing the manually, then you hit enter, or else with the help of mouse you are doing, you can just tap one more time, so it is going to be work. Thank you.